How to Urlencode a query string in Python. I am trying to Urlencode this string before I submit.
You need to pass your parameters into Urlencode as either a mapping, dict, or a sequence of two tuples, like Python 3 or above. Use urllib.parse.urlencode. Note that this does not do URL encoding in the commonly used sense. Look at the output. For that, use urllib.parse.quote_plus.
Python 2. What you're looking for is urllib.quote_plus. Python 3. In Python 3, the urllib package has been broken into smaller components. You'll use urllib.parse.quote_plus, or note the parse child module.
Python 3. urllib.parse.quote_plus, string, safe equals, encoding equals none, errors equals none.
Try requests instead of urllib and you don't need to bother with Urlencode. Edit. If you need ordered name-value pairs or multiple values for a name, then set params like so, instead of using a dictionary.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.